Welcome guys, in this video I am with the Jaybird Vista 2nd generation and I'm going to show you how you can adjust buttons controls. So in the Jaybird application you are able to switch controls for the left and the right touch control panel, and you have to just scroll down. Of course you have to be connected with your buds also. You have to scroll down and go for the button controls. You can switch between left and the right, and here we can find single press, double tap, and then press and hold action. So if you want to switch any of this, for example, we can switch on the left button to go for the previous song, and on the right button for the single press to go for the next song. And here we can adjust it like you want, as you can see. So yeah, that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to our channel.